I'll buy one.
Hey.
Oh, not today.
Yeah, I want some candy.
Fucking Halloween, dude.
Happy fucking Mick Jagger, dude.
My money when my doors are swinging, it's like a bird on wheels. Come to Ohio and you can see how it feels.
Fucking hard to see, man. You gotta tuck it in, man. You gotta tuck his weenie in.
All you gonna hear is some crazy fact. I'll be burning the food to get you so yeah, you got it. Get that, get on the beat for this only right track. You step to keep vibing to this shit unfamiliar. If your main line got time, then I'll be drilling her. I keep you in my realm, I keep you in the sound. I keep myself up high because the haze by the pound. And my imagination, you can look all over the nation.
Okay, what's the letter?
AK, what's up?
Fucking chillin'.
That was proper right there.
Hey, I like that,
That
one,
was
bro.
proper.
I'll rock that.
So on this beautiful holiday here on No Standards, SK817, you know, our YouTube channel, whatever, but this young man right here, Diego, I don't know his last name, but whatever.
Mar.
Go Diego, go. Alright, he wanted to
Go,
skateboard
Diego.
here, and just so appreciate it, man, that he came out here, that everybody came out here in their costumes and stuff, and just celebrate it. And until next time. Boy, you got some soft ass skin.
I appreciate it, bro. You know, it's that lotion.
What
Is that lotion?
I was just like, all right. But since he won the board,
Yeah, my skin is pretty soft.
he
No, I'm
he gets this beautiful Goodwood from the gods themselves right here. There you go. You got some grip tape in the car. You get you some, bro. No problem, bro. It's an 8. That's an 8, man.
Hey.
Enjoy it. Enjoy it. SK817. Stay tuned.
Peace.